Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new GameMaker project and choosing GML as your primary tool. This gets you straight into code. First, make a sprite and assign it to an object. Then open the Create event and declare your core variables like speed and health. Next, use instance create layer to spawn objects at runtime so you can test behavior immediately. Once done, run the game to verify the object appears. This confirms your pipeline from asset to script is working. Now focus on movement and collisions. In the step event, adjust H speed and V speed based on input, or use physics if preferred, because predictable motion simplifies debugging. Then implement collision checks with place meeting, or the collision event. Resolve overlaps by moving out of collision before applying damage or bounce. Also, refactor repeated logic into scripts so you can call move and collide. Style helpers. This reduces errors and makes changes faster. Make sure to test edge cases like corners and high velocities. To finish, add a simple HUD on the GUI layer using draw text to show health and score. Keeping UI on a separate layer prevents scaling issues. Then configure build targets and resolution, set icons, and run a final export to your chosen platform to confirm packaging. If something breaks, check the output console for errors and sprinkle show debug message. Calls to trace values. When needed, isolate the failing script by disabling objects one at a time. This method narrows bugs quickly and gets you to a stable build.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.